If you live in Canada and try to open Polymarket, you might find that the platform doesn't load or shows an error. Some markets and decentralized prediction platforms like Polymarket can be restricted in certain regions due to legal and regulatory reasons. The good news is that there is a safe and legal way to access Polymarket from Canada by using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and hides your real IP address. This makes it appear as if you're browsing from another country where Polymarket is accessible, and it also keeps your data secure, especially on public or shared networks. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using NordVPN. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. Before we start, it's important to say this clearly. Using a VPN for privacy, security, or to access websites that may be restricted where you live is generally legal in most countries. However, you should always check Polymarket's terms of service and your local laws to be 100% sure that using a VPN to access the site is allowed. This is normally fine, but rules can vary by platform and region. VPNs are also great for protecting your privacy on public Wi-Fi and for unblocking websites that may be censored in some places. Now, to get started, go to the NordVPN website using the link below. Create your account, choose a plan that works best for you, and download the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers if you want to protect every device on your network. Once installed, open the NordVPN app and log in. You'll see a list of countries and servers. To access Polymarket from Canada, connect to a server in a country where Polymarket is available, such as the United States, the Netherlands, or Germany. These regions generally allow access to crypto and prediction markets. When the VPN connection is active, open your browser and go to Polymarket. Because your IP address now shows as coming from the country you selected, the site should load normally. You can log in with your wallet, view markets, and make trades just like you would anywhere else. If you still have trouble loading the site, try switching to a different server in the same country and refresh the page. That usually resolves any access issues. So that's how you can use Polymarket in Canada. Always make sure to check the service's terms of service and local laws before trying this method. Use the VPN responsibly and securely for privacy and connection protection. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out.